First of all, thank you so much, Quidjess, for your kind invite. It's a pleasure to be here. So for those who don't know me, my name is Bernardo Ferreira. I'm a marketing manager specialized in digital marketing. I currently work as an e-commerce and SEO specialist at Vorten. And if there's one principle that all brands and marketers should know about digital marketing, is that stop learning new technologies and thinking that you know everything. This is the secret to fail. And with the maturation of AI technologies, those who fail to adapt to this new reality will become obsolete, not in a matter of years, but in a couple of months. And the clock is already ticking. So although there's no Bible or something like that with all the different secrets on how to win in this new digital marketing era, today I present you 5 of the biggest transformations and also opportunities for the coming period. So first of all, get ready for a new search era. The first biggest transformation that I'm presenting you concerns the biggest search engine in the world. And Google is almost ready to launch its biggest update ever, not only regarding the algorithm, but also the user interface. And the key transformation here is that Google will change from being a search engine to an answer engine. This is the big transformation here. And this is the face of this transformation. And as you can see on the screen right now, Google is implementing this, what they call Google Search Generative Experience, that will be dominated by the so-called AI snapshot that will provide AI-generated answers to the users. And this is a revolution because, as you can see, those traditional 10 links, the organic results, will lose their predominance on Google search engine results page to this new AI module. But before diving into more details about this, why is this so important to all of you? 46% of all the customer journeys start on Google. And in terms of brand discovery, search engines are by far the most relevant online channel. Let's try to do a search. So I'm looking for a new bike. And as you can see, the majority of the screen is displaying this new giant AI module. Where are the organic results, right? And as you can see, this kind of new experience is very similar to what we already do with tools like Google Bard and also ChatGPT. And the major transformation here is we are going to interact with this new search engine with a conversational flow in a similar way to what we already do with other humans, for example. These are great news, but there are big challenges for us, okay? The first one is the customer journey will change drastically because users will spend much longer on Google SERP because they don't need anymore to visit your website to discover what your brand is and to find information because Google AI Snapshot will provide quick, summarized, and very relevant answers to your search query, okay? And this will result in an organic traffic drop above the 20%, okay? Again, the number of what is called zero-click keywords, keywords with high number of impressions and low CTRs are gonna explode because people don't need anymore to go to your website, okay? And I'm talking about informational keywords because when you talk about the more navigational and transactional keywords, people will still arrive to your product pages, to your PDPs. So your focus must be optimize your product and conversion pages, okay? Because for now, at least for now, people cannot buy directly through Google, and they need to go to your website, okay? Let's talk about the e-commerce world. So there's no excuse anymore to use like stock footage platforms or using boring images on your websites and on your marketing campaigns or even on your product pages. And when you talk about e-commerces like Vorten, one of the crucial parts on a conversion rate optimization for these product pages are the images, the quality of the image that we are presenting to the public. But what is the problem here? When you have a lot of products, when you have an e-commerce with hundreds, thousands, or even millions of products, it's impossible to photoshoot high-quality images for all your SKUs, okay? And this is an example. This is a sofa that a seller sent to Vorten. And as you can see, this is like a default image with plain white background. And for categories like home decor, garden, and also fashion, you need more contextual and also inspirational image in order the user to convert. And this is a problem to us. And what I try to do here, I use one of my favorite AI generative AI tools. I drop this sofa into Photoshop's AI generative fill tool. And with a few prompts, text prompts, and also a few drawings, I was able to generate these environments. Amazing, right? So this is just like a text prompt and a few drawings. As you can see, I need to add, for example, a table here. Let's add a plant wherever you want. And this is a before and after. I was able to transform a super boring image into a stunning one using only generative AI tools, okay? Talking about conversion optimization, one of the key factors for a product page to convert in an online store is optimize your product descriptions. And product descriptions have a very big impact not only on conversions, but also to digital marketing channels performance, like SEO and also Google Shopping. But there's a problem again. Sellers, this is a common mistake, that is copy-pasting the descriptions that are sent by the suppliers. But what is the problem here? The truth is, you are not that special. And those suppliers send those same descriptions not only to you, but also to your competitors. And this can be a huge problem, especially for SEO, because Google's algorithm might look at your website as a duplicated content. And this can generate a drop on your rankings, on your organic traffic, okay? But Bernardo, again, it's impossible when I have a huge website. How can I customize hundreds of product descriptions? And this is where, again, generative AI platforms come into play, like ChatGPT, Jasper's, Copy AI, that will help me scale those customized product descriptions. This is just a super ad hoc use case where I try to produce a customized product description for one of our phones, Samsung Galaxy Fold. And with just a few key features of the product, choosing the output language, etc., I was able to produce amazing and customized product descriptions, okay? Let's move on. And this is honestly one of my favorite points in this presentation, because the way customers buy online is also about to change drastically. And I do believe that online shopping assistants are the future of e-commerce, a kind of a sales force, but in a digital environment, okay? When we look at the online experience right now, we face these problems. The first one is the lack of human touch. And the second one is the incapacity of providing real-time answers to possible shopping objections that might occur, okay? Luckily, this problem could be solved again with generative AI tools, because we are moving from using those traditional chatbots, the rule-based chatbots that we already find in some websites, to these powerful ones, the ones that are powered by large language models that will be able to support the customer along the customer journey on your website. There are a lot of use cases here, and this one is one of my favorite case studies right now. This is Shop's assistant that is powered by ChatGPT technology that is capable of analyzing millions and millions of products and suggesting the best ones for the user. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the future of e-commerce. I'm looking for a new product for my best friend. I'm looking for a cool hat for a birthday present. These are cool suggestions, but my friend have a brand affinity with Nike. So what the algorithm will do is filter the products. Those are nice, but one more thing. Those products are a little above my price range, above my budget. So I want to search only for the under $30. This red one is fine. I want more options, so let's search for show me only the red ones. And as you can see, all of the interaction I'm doing in this e-commerce is done by interacting directly with this chatbot. And he also provides me 3 of the best recommendations that he has. So this is game changing, okay? This is the last but not least. Let's talk really quick about personalization, generative personalization. Don't get me wrong, because personalization is not something new at all in digital marketing or e-commerce. We find modules of personalization in, for example, product recommendations based on your purchase history. Also, internal search results customized so you can find the products that you have, for example, a brand affinity with, or even customized thumbnails according to your favorite series. But we reach now a 4th stage of customer personalization, that is generative personalization. AI capable of producing new brand contents for specific prompts or specific people. And this will empower what we call in digital marketing of hyper-personalization. And the first use cases and the first brands that started to implement this kind of hyper-personalization, generative personalization, are related to the fashion industry. What if I told you that this kind of way that we shop in these fashion websites, that is going to visit a website and looking for random models, this will change, so we will become our own models on these fashion websites. What I mean by this, there's a technology called virtual try-on that uses generative AI technology, so it's capable of merging the website clothes into your virtual representation. This is capable of creating your own avatar, and the products that you will see on these fashion websites, you will look at yourself and not at random models. So let's try this on this website. This technology is powered by Zellers. With a few adjustments on the measurements, let's create my avatar. I will upload a Madonna's face. Why not? And as you can see right now, I was able to preview and try on the clothes before buying them. This is the true meaning of a personalized experience. Thank you so much.